So in this video I am going to show you how you can make your Windows 10 computer, laptop or any kind of device faster. So it's going to be only two steps in which we are going to do this. So the first step is right click on the taskbar, go to task manager, and you can see the tab startup. So you have to disable all of these. You have to see the startup impact. If the startup impact is very high or medium, you can certainly make these disable. The status should be disabled. So this is the first technique that you can use to make your Windows 10 faster. The next one is go to settings. So I'm going to search for settings, and after searching for settings I will be clicking on settings from this option. And after clicking on settings you can find settings. So I'm going to write background, and you can see the option background apps. So click on this option background apps, and you can see the background apps. All of these background apps are off, that is, these are all disabled. So you can let apps run in the background. If you check this option, if it's on, then make sure you turn it off from this particular option. So this is how you can make your Windows 10 faster, at least 10 times faster, standing in 2024. So this is the latest version of Windows 10 22H2. Aim for this video is only 10 likes, so you have to give only 10 likes to this video. Make sure you do that, and also hit the subscribe button if you like the content. And also, if you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials, and also programming languages, various types of computer tutorials, then do subscribe this channel for more videos. See you all again next time in another video. Till then, goodbye and take care.